And I guess that the other thing I wanted to say, besides passing on specific values and traditions, that I have been very committed to do with my own children and with other opportunities with Jewish children and so on, is to really separate the painful parts of the history, the persecution and so on, that's not what it means to be a Jew. Not to deny that history by any means, but that being a Jew doesn't mean being a victim. Being a Jew doesn't mean people hate you, those kinds of things, and the fact that, Hitler and so many others throughout history have wanted to, have said there was, that we didn't deserve to live, doesn't mean that there's something wrong with us. Those kind of messages which I felt very strongly needed to be addressed, in a new way. That a lot of what I grew up with and what I think many, many Jews grew up with was, tremendous fear and insecurity and sense of, not being able to trust anyone and that kind of stuff, and defensiveness, they're out to get us. With good reason. I'm not criticizing anyone, for those feelings, but that I did not want my children to grow up, seeing themselves that way. I think there is a possibility, increasingly, for younger generations, for new generations, not to define their Jewishness just in terms of the tragedies, just in terms of the persecution. And I think there have always been, obviously, many generations of Jews, even in the worst of times, were also able to hold on to the very life-affirming values, and the wisdom and the beauty and so on. And that's what, that's the vision that I would want,